This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Make sure it opens up in preview. If you have like Adobe or any other PDF viewer, just try and open it in preview because they make it pretty easy. You go down here, go to File menu, go to Export. And if you see here, it gives you the option to change the format. Turn it into a JPEG. You can change the quality. We'll just say best. I would just make sure it goes to your desktop so it's easy to find. Save. And here's the image right here. And then it's just a matter of going back to your Squarespace site, adding a block, add an image, uploading your image. And here is the picture right here. Boom, quick little workaround for uploading a PDF to a web page.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.